How to enable or disable the timeline preview in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Once you are inside the edit page, look at the top left corner of the timeline panel. There you will find a small icon that looks like a film strip. Next, to disable the timeline preview, simply click on it and from the drop-down option, select Thumbnail View. From there, select None to disable the timeline preview. This will stop the preview in the clips, which can be helpful if you want to reduce distraction or improve performance on slower computers. To enable the timeline preview, simply go back to the same settings and then choose Thumbnail or Film Strip option. This will bring back the visual previews on your timeline clips so you can quickly identify footage. Remember, enabling or disabling this feature does not affect your final video, it is just a tool to make editing easier or cleaner depending on your preference. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable the timeline preview in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.